Runner number 5, inner class, once again being pulled out at stall number 5. Dugos Fantasy also being pulled out at stall number 6. And the rider jockey BJ Guerra is being gates open, they're up and racing. Dugos Fantasy, Madam Teresa moving up at the center now, grabbing the lead. Madam Teresa takes up the running, followed now by Vanguard in second and racing on the outside. Dugos Fantasy by the rail is runner number 2, and that's Ola Joon, followed by Big Bang Inner Class. Heading towards the half-mile pole. Madam Teresa, as expected, leading the field by about 2 lengths, followed by Vanguard in second. Dugos Fantasy racing in third, and down in fourth is Ola Joon Inner Class and Big Bang now in behind them, rounding at a 600. Madam Teresa just in front, Vanguard trying to get closer, then rushing up on the outside is Dugos Fantasy as they race for home. Now we have runner number 1, Vanguard. Dugos Fantasy on the outside, Ola Joon also closing in, Inner Class, Big Bang, and down the stretch they come. Vanguard leading the field, Dugos Fantasy. Ola Joon sneaking in down on the inside, moves up to grab the lead. Jonathan Hernandez on Ola Joon by about 2 lengths, and finally Ola Joon, Vanguard, Dugos Fantasy, Big Bang, then comes Inner Class.